You guys, before this video starts, quickly hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications and go to one of my videos and hit the like button. I will see you in my future videos. Bye. Hello everybody, and today it's my first video, so I'm going to be showing you how to basically make your own screen recorder. And yeah, so let's get started. So first up, open your browser, any browser, I don't really mind. It's any of your choice, to be honest. So once you've opened up your browser, it should be in the description below, but if I forget it, just type up or go to Panzoid. So it should look like this. Now press enter. Now it should lead you to a site which looks like this. It has a clip maker, backgrounder, create custom graphics, thumbnails, YouTube channel, art and more, and then here's your video editor. So you've got to go to clip maker. So once you are in clip maker, you can either select any of these templates, or you can do project. I'm just going to select that template for the sake of the studio. So once your template has loaded or you're currently making one, go to your I'm just going to wait for this. Okay, so once your template is here, press the little R and then hit this one. So yep, that's what the intro is. So you might want to put it at so that you can see your name. So next we go to the objects. Now this little bar here you see, just put that down so you can see these things. Now it may not apply to any of these, but if you see text, splines, or any word that you have, click on it, make sure you put this up, and then put it as your YouTube channel name or whatever you want. So I'm just going to put this Phoenix. Alright, do the same as Phoenix. Make sure you always press enter. And usually doesn't work because it needs speed, it might be different. But yeah, some templates don't work because they're like hard-bound, but I kinda like this one, but yeah, I might change it. So you can change it if you want. It doesn't save unless you want to, just I'll show you how to save it. But so I'm just gonna wait for this to load again. So yeah guys, this is my first video. If you like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button and like and comment whatever you want. Not as in like what kind of videos, like Minecraft and yeah. So yeah. So you know, if it loads quite slowly, that means it's quite a big of a file, and if it does, I don't recommend downloading it. If you're a YouTuber starting out, you might want to have like a small, simple outro. But if you're like those, if you want to have like a really big outros, then yeah, you can choose one. So this is the usual ones, so you can see what it looks like. Yep. Alright, so basically that's what it is. Now go to the 3D cube and So now go to text and name, and now insert the name. But this one works. There's somewhat there we go. So make sure you always press so we can get this into get just right there. So if you guys are happy with this, or the template you chosen, so I might go choose the one that I want to do, and yeah, so not to do future one. But yeah, I'll be right back, guys. Just gotta do it. Alright guys, I am back and I have found the one that I want to show you. It's quite a simple one because I'm a small YouTuber. So I recommend like small ones like this. So hold on, I'm just gonna go so now you know what to do, so I'm just gonna edit this now. So Phoenix. There we go. You can also change the font, but I like this one to be honest. So this is what it looks like. So once you're happy with your your intro or outro, go to the third one. It should have like this arrow pointing down to the side. Press it should say download, and now you can change your mode to fastest render, balanced, good quality, and extreme quality. But this is quite slow, so I am going to do balanced, and it will be an MKV. And there will also be a link down below to a file transfer, or yeah. You can like change the files to MP4 files so it can be compatible with your screen recorders or your editing software. So I'm just going to press start video render. So it should store files on this. It should say this. Now just press allow. There's no viruses or anything, and you just gotta wait. So I will also calculate how long you will have to wait. So yeah, I will be right back, guys, once this has finished. I think my time at that time, but it doesn't even say yet. I'll be right back, guys. Okay guys, I am back. So it should say after you've installed it, your render is finished. Click below to download it. So you should click this one, download your video. So it should take you to this page with a bunch of ads. Don't click it. It just downloads like that. So then if you want to click on it, you can click on it to view it. But I recommend this slide, just search up let's see, yes, file, right. There you go. So I recommend so you can also search up so then now you just gotta order, you can order the drop files. Okay, convert your file to MP4. I don't know why it's not working. So basically, I usually use Panzoid, but today I might use something else. So you search up anything, I don't really mind doing it. Still work. Let's see. Because there's like this one trusted file. Because I've got this one in my phone, but yeah. So I'll make this one down here. I'm just gonna empty folder. Alright. Say this video to each of 100%. And it won't take that long depending on how big your file is. Yep. So there we go. It's converting, so yep. And I will show you the finishing touches. There we go, download. There we go. So you should save video 3 before. So you can put this into your desktop. And here we go. We'll just do it for you guys. So it also has like this editor, but I'm not going to show you this today. I'm just going to show you this one. Hopefully it will work. Okay, let's see. Some of these aren't quite working exactly, but yeah. Yeah, that's basically probably gonna be my intro for now on. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. And if you liked it, make sure you hit that like button, obviously smash it off your screen and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video, either a tutorial or something else. But yeah guys, see ya.